an amazing job.
And of course, the victors, the 5-man squad from Fnatic Onic. We have to throw it away to the stage. Myra Aquino, take it away.
And everybody give it up for Fnatic Onic. Congratulations, still undefeated. Kelra, ba't ang layo ng teammates mo? Help me, let's call them over here. Dito kayo. Kelra, the gold standard. I mean, matagal na kitang tinanong about what you thought about this. Pero para sa'yo, ano nga ba ang standard dapat para sa isang gold laner?
Ika nga ni Domeng, paldo daw dapat. Paldo.
Oh, speaking of Domeng, sige nga, ang tawag kasi sa kanya is the next standard. So what do you think about that? Na yun yung tawag sa kanya, the next standard. What do you think about him as a gold laner?
Deserve niya naman yun kasi magaling din naman talaga siya.
Ayan. Bakit ang bango mo palagi?
Siyempre, naka-DNY perfume uli ako eh.
Siyempre. Ano naman, para naman to kay King Kong. King Kong. Okay, bakit nga ba undefeated kayo so far in this tournament? Kasi even though may mga nagbago from last season, would you actually still consider yourselves as a super team?
Super family pa rin.
Super family pa rin. Pero ano nga ba ang nangyayari sa inyo ngayon kung bakit sobrang ganda ng start nyo ngayong Season 14 na walang nakakatalo sa inyo?
Sa opinion ko po siguro sobrang binibigyan namin ng attention yung mga scrim namin, yung mga kailangan po naming ayusin. Kaya pagdating po sa tournament, siguro medyo malinis laro namin.
And it's nice because, you know, we see the super family working together at kitang-kita because yung bond nyo and yung chemistry nyo in and out of the game is so obvious. And speaking of chemistry and yung bond, alam mo natutuwa ako dahil for every single game, every single series, nandito ang parents mo. Nandito sila. Ayun! Nandito si mommy at daddy. Meron ka ba? Alam mo, batiin mo naman sila kasi kanina sobrang aga nila. And they've been here for every single game, laging present, lalo na your dad. What do you want to say to them? Nakakaingit
Kay mami tsaka kay papa, sobrang thankful ko kasi sa lahat ng mga laro namin, lagi kayong present. Tapos, ayun, lagi kayo nakasuporta sa akin.
And now, i-announce natin ang ating MVP. Can you guys guess who it is? Let me hear it. Okay, tingnan natin kung tama nga ba ang inyong sagot. Let's take a look at the screen. And the MVP is King Kong! Nakakatuwa because I get to announce this while your dad and your mom are cheering for you and raising their hand like this. What do you want to say naman sa lahat ng mga supporters nyo?
Sa mga supporters namin, thank you kasi tuloy-tuloy niyo kami sinusuportahan. Sana hindi kayo magsawa-suportahan kami.
Mommy, Daddy, di ba nakaka-proud? Worth it ang panood. Worth it. And thank you for always supporting us, MPL. Ngayon naman, meron tayong isang swak na fan of the day. Congratulations dahil mamimigay tayo